Hoy vamos a hacer crema con fresas.
Yeah.
Y mi hija me va a ayudar. ¿Verdad, Tina?
Yeah.
¿Me vas a ayudar?
Crema con fresas.
¿Ok?
Okay.
Esto es como 1,5 libras porque le añadí más fresas en esta cajita. ¿Okay? Vamos a usar leche evaporada. Vamos a usar la crema que se llama... vamos a usar media crema.
Yeah.
En inglés es table cream.
Yeah.
Media crema.
Media crema. Leche evaporada.
Cinnamon powder. Polvo de canela.
Polvo de canela.
Vamos a usar lechera.
Lechera.
Este es, ¿cuánto es? Como 14 onzas de lechera. Voy a usar dos latas de media crema.
Yeah.
I'm going to use 2 cans of table cream. Okay, each can is 7.6 ounces.
Yeah.
So voy a usar 2. I'm going to use 2. We're going to wash the strawberries. We're going to come back right now.
My mom is best cooker ever. My mom is the best chef.
Thank you, my love. You're the best chef.
Yeah. Yeah.
This is her first time actually using a knife to like cut food.
Yeah. To cut strawberries, right?
Yes, and we're talking about like a sharp knife. Because she's cut food before, but it hasn't really been with like a real knife. And right now it's actually her actual first time cutting food with a real knife. So I'm very happy. Yay! Look, she did very good. These lessons are $80 a lesson. So,
Yeah.
wow.
Can I try?
It's actually priceless, not gonna lie, but whatever. This is actually priceless, but whatever. Here you go. Actually priceless. Make sure you don't get your thumb. Double check not to get your thumb, okay?
Okay.
Good job. Like, the smaller the pieces, the better. I think for me, I really don't like them like when they're in big chunks. I like them like maybe like 4 centimeters big. Okay.
Yeah.
Very small. Very
small.
diced
Yeah.
in very small pieces.
Yeah.
Entonces, lo vamos a cortar en cuadritos chiquitos. Good job, you did it. Okay. Vamos a cortar en cuadritos chiquitos las fresas. Okay, así, bien chiquitas. Bien chiquitas.
I did it.
Yeah, you did it. Así, bien chiquitas. Okay. Bien chiquitas, así, bien chiquitas.
Yeah. They're super cheap.
She did actually do. She did dice them very small, so that's actually
Yeah.
really nice.
Yeah.
Okay. My daughter, because I stopped, right?
Yeah.
And my daughter was like, keep cutting. Look, she's so organized. You're so organized. Good job, Athena. Y vamos a poner las crema. Que vamos a usar 2 botellas.
Yeah.
Vamos a usar 2 botellas de media crema.
Yeah.
We're going to use 2 cans of
And
table cream.
Table cream.
Table cream.
Table cream.
You want to help me?
Yeah.
Okay.
Papa, I don't do this.
Put it in here. She's gonna put it in there. Okay.
Yeah.
¿Verdad? Vamos a poner otra.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Voy a poner esta.
Can I put a lot?
Yeah, all of it. Put all of it. Now, we're going to use condensed milk.
Yeah.
So I'm using this brand because they didn't have the other one at the store.
Yeah.
But it's just condensed milk, whatever.
Yeah.
Doesn't matter. I don't get paid to advertise any of these products. Okay.
Can I put more?
¿Va a poner lechera? Okay.
Can I
Pon-
put a lot?
Sí, toda la lechera.
It's going to be good. Yeah.
Y se va a empezar a mezclar así.
Yeah.
Ok, ahora yo creo que vamos a poner como la mitad. Se me olvidó que ella quiere. A ver, pon tantito. A ver, poquito, poquito, no todo. Poquito. Así, así. Ahora hay que mezclarlo.
Mom, it's going to be so good.
Sí. Ay, ay,
Mom, isn't it going to be so good?
sí. Ok, aquí nada más vamos a seguir mezclándolo. Keep stirring. Vamos a poner tantito del polvo de canela. We're adding a little bit of cinnamon powder.
Yeah.
Okay. Like this. Yeah, there you go. Okay, like that. Okay.
It's going
Yeah.
to be this.
Now mix it, mix it. Okay. Ya vamos a probar
Yeah.
nuestro experimento. Okay. It tastes like.
It tastes good.
So did I do it wrong or right?
Right. It tastes sweet, isn't it?
Mm. It turns out I did it right after all. Right here on the edge. And that's how you do crema con fresa. The best recipe. If you want the best recipe, you're in the correct zone. Si quieren la mejor receta, ya saben, está en la zona correcta. G5. So there you go.
Yeah.
She loved it. Yay. Okay. It's actually really delicious.
Yeah. Taste the strawberry.
She won't stop eating it. Can't stop, she said. She can't stop. It's so delicious.
Do you feel so? Do you feel so?
Can't stop, she said.